Okay, I'm gonna let you watch me figure this out, because we're gonna figure this out as we go. Bottles like these are abundant, right? Right. Ask a whale. Okay, so I go like that. Paper, like this. Okay. That's about it for pattern. I suggested you try to get two, I don't know, for speedy sake, I don't have time. Cut. Cut out a rough shape, you can trim it out. Less pieces to worry about. So I cut, draw there. So this is just a face mask. I mean, for your mouth and nose. You can see if you mounted it to a ball cap, you cut it full length, you could probably make it into a full face shield, but it's a little blurry. So I'm suggesting a PSW that isn't dependent on reading instrumentation, like a paramedic. They could probably get by with something like this in the meantime, until something better comes in. You hear about paramedics with nothing. Yikes. Yikes. Seriously, what the heck? Okay. Now I wear glasses, so I've got a glass fog problem, so probably just have to live with it. Okay, so I had this up in the string. I'm really figuring this out as we film right now. Okay, ding ding, over the ears, and that's gonna go like that. So what we're gonna do is tie one end off, like so. Pull tight over your ear. Yeah, I think this works. Ah, that was too easy. Okay, well that last video stopped short, so something wrong with the battery there. It's not charged. So what charge I have left, I want you to see. This is a 30 centimeter ruler, 12 inches. There's the mask. This is the key ingredient. The first part of the video you saw, you get the idea. You gotta cut it out. But you need a nice hole card puncher from the dollar store. When I said the thing was fogging up on me, it was. And these holes solve the problem. Just perforate holes. The idea of this is to protect somebody from getting sprayed if you happen to sneeze. You may not have COVID, or you just want to not pass it in case, right? We know the story. So this was the 2-liter bottle. There's the ridge. That was the top of the bottle. I punched my first holes there on each side. Okay, and I threaded my lanyard through on the inside out, tied it, trimmed it. Caution, when I did fit this, when I look down, this hits your collar, your chest, your collar, and pushes up. So I trimmed it down. It didn't need to be that long. Also, I for some reason put like a little bump there. I trimmed those off because you don't want to get poked in the eye when this hits your collar. Okay, so that's the trial and error part I found out, as well as the air holes. Those are the modifications that seem to make this a comfortable apparatus to wear in lieu of something official. Okay, this is not official in any way, shape, or form. Here's the lanyard, so you get the idea of the length. Rubber band. This goes around your ears. After that, it just hangs on your head. I'll show you in a second. Okay, so that's why a lanyard with a clip might help. Wear glasses. So around your ears. Glasses go on. Mask goes on the outside of the glasses. Okay, I'm not having a hard time with this. Okay. Oh, glasses fogged up. It's okay. There, cleared up.